my God, Johnny, look at this hitch. It's like so big. It's like out there. It looks like one of those tow people's hitches.
It's so big and round and out there. Yeah, so John and Meg here from the Hitch. So we're going to go over 10 things that you got to know, you got to have.
To make
In our
your life
opinion.
easier.
Yeah, absolutely, for sure. So, yeah, well, let's get to it.
Okay.
Is it? Okay. No. Oh, dagnabbit. Oh, man, you lollygagger. Get on there, you son of a... You... rat bastard. Back up now. Dagnabbit. Oh. Cotton-headed ninny muggins. Let me tell you what. When you get done, you just twist it right off. Come from the backside. Son of a bitch. And twist it off. Easy as pie.
Easy peasy, summer squeezy.
Easy peasy. Don't ever go from the front, go from the back. Much easier that way.
Yeah.
Okay. But this right here, these things right here, they're awesome. We were in Pigeon Forge. Remember that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it was so bad. I mean, literally the front was down all the way to the ground with nothing underneath it. I couldn't put anything underneath it.
Oh my lanta.
And we had these instead of those plastic ones. And I used the X-Chocks too. And Noah was like, here, let me do my chalk. I said, no, you're not going to do it, man, because I'm going to be responsible if something happens. That's how serious it was, because right behind us was the river.
Oh yeah.
And so
It was pretty
these
sketchy.
things worked great. I put plastic ones on the other side just because we have them. When we bought this thing, they came with them. But they crush. We've crushed one set already. That's why we've got these. So, yeah, you got to have these. This here is our surge guard. You've got to have one of these because if something happens and it blows all your stuff inside, that's not good. I mean, because we were at an RV park and the surge guard that we had, it went. It went. And we were like, what? And so
we had to move. There was no electric.
yeah, we had to move. They had to come out and test it and everything for us. We went to 3 spots till we finally got one that was right.
Yeah, but then we got a bomb spot. So
Yeah, we did, so it worked.
I
So
don't
then
mind
we bought
moving to
this
the best
thing
spot.
later.
Yeah.
But I will tell you what, if this one gets burnt, I'm gonna get the one that's got the button that you can fuse it, because this thing, they sacrifice their life for you, which is okay. That's their job. But we would get the one that has an actual fuse. You push it in, and then you can keep using it because they're expensive. This here is the Smart Tote. It's lovely. What a wonderful topic, right? So if you're gonna stay in some places where they don't have full hookups or whatever,
Which it can happen.
especially if you're coming to Florida in the winter, it could definitely happen. So we got this. We were in a spot with no sewer for 30 days. So I got really good at that. But it was terrific because, I mean, we were down here in the warmth, loving it, playing some golf, all that good stuff.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that is a must-have. And we got the one, I have a video to it, but we got the one where it's got a handle that you can drag it around on 4 wheels instead of 2.
Yeah, we have a video on it.
Yep, those get heavy.
We could link
They
it.
definitely get heavy.
You did a good job.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Didn't complain. Didn't hear one complaint out of him. I just always had
Full
clean
tanks.
tanks.
It was
Full
basically like we had full hookups.
Yeah, it
So
was. It was.
yeah, they're terrific. So if you're really going to do this, it's a good investment. Totally is.
Le Creuset. This is better than an Instapot. I know a lot of people like to travel with their Instapot. I like my Le Creuset. I can literally make chili, shepherd's pie, sauce, anything that you would cook, a roast, anything that you would cook all day long in like a crock pot. I know you can do that with the Instapot quick, but with this, it's just, I like it better.
It's almost as quick.
Yeah, I mean, I could literally make a pot of chili in 45 minutes and have it served to
Tastes like
my
it's
family.
been cooking all
and it
day.
tastes like it's been cooking all day.
Yeah, and it's a lot lighter, and it's a lot smaller. Ooh, what you
I'm making shepherd's pie
Ooh, let me see that again.
with mashed cauliflower. So I'll mash the cauliflower, I'll put sour cream, some cream cheese, butter. Try to make it as much mashed potato as I can. And then I will layer it on top and let it cook in my Le Creuset. Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yummy.
It's gonna be tasty.
Mmm, yummy.
That right there is another thing you gotta have. It's a water filter. Gets it down to 0.05 microns. And then right behind here, we have one that's on board. It kind of does it the same. It's 0.5 and all that. It's about the same. But one is none, right? Two is
right.
one. You know, we didn't want to go buy that big, giant, bulky, heavy one. Maybe we will, but we always cook our water, or we put it through the what's that thing called? The zero
The
water.
zero water for the dogs.
Or we drink bottled water,
Always drink bottled water.
or bubbled water. What's this stuff? Seltzer water.
Sparkling water.
Yeah, sparkling water. Yeah. You gotta have one of these.
Yes.
So these things are sturdy. I mean, they make cloth ones, and we had a couple of those. We didn't really like it. They didn't last.
Well, yeah, and I like it because, I mean, we have smaller garbage cans inside than we do when we're at home. So, and we have dumpsters. You know, most homes have dumpsters that the garbage comes and picks it up every week or whatever. So this is nice because we're not constantly running to the dump at the wherever we're staying, at whatever resort we're at.
Yep, we just take it out and put it out here, and
Put it out here, yeah, and then we just have to take it every couple of days in a big black bag, and it's like having a home
trash
trash can.
Yeah, because it's tough. They can't get through that, you know. Although we did. Where was that? Where there was one where the raccoon could open the zipper.
I was so sad too
I know.
because that was such a cute outdoor trash can. I think we
Yeah.
got it, you know, with the
That was the cloth one.
Yeah, it had the campers on it from Camping World,
Yeah.
which I loved. Especially when we first started off, I got like all that stuff.
Yeah, the cloth one, it didn't work out. But this is
Didn't
good.
work out.
The first one I ruined because I poured bacon grease
And
in
they
there.
still, I mean, even this one, a raccoon has unzipped it before.
Was it this one then? Yeah, okay. They tore open the other one.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
they ripped open the other one. This one they just literally like it's I don't know if it was a raccoon or what it was, squirrel, whatever, but
Pretty sure it was a raccoon.
probably. So
I don't know if a squirrel could have done
I
that.
don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. But
One of the upgrades we did was we got a better sofa. Yeah, there it is.
hi.
Yeah, how's that? Is that comfy?
It's so comfy.
Yeah, very much so. So we had this one in here that's one of those jackknife sofas. And that was horrible. But Noah likes it.
Nice.
Say hi
Hi.
to the poochies. Hi, this is Lady. And this is Stud. That's right. Hey, buddy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Say bye.
Say goodbye.
Say bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, so we, as far as the internet goes, this thing came with a Wi-Fi Ranger. It was the basic one, and I figured out that you could buy a board, put the board in there, and then you could take a chip that comes in one of those little hotspots. And we have AT&T Unlimited, so I took that little chip and got an adapter and put it up on the thing on the roof, which is MIMO, so it has, 2 antennas and all this crazy stuff. Is it the best? No, but it works pretty
It
daggum
works
good.
pretty good. And if anybody knows John, knows he is big. He's not basic. He's not basic. He's bougie.
Yeah, I mean, I would
big.
I'd probably get something better eventually, but I think we're gonna hold out for that Starlink stuff.
Oh yeah.
Well, we might get a T-Mobile chip to put up there too. But anyways, so it's 4G. We have unlimited, and it's good enough for Noah. He's a gamer,
Yeah.
and he games online, and he's okay.
He literally is like gaming on his laptop and gaming on his PlayStation.
And watching YouTube, and we're
and
watching
YouTube, and we're doing whatever.
Yeah, we're working, slaving away.
Yeah.
That's all we do. Just
And-
work. Let me tell you.
He has me working in my using my Le Creuset all day
That's right.
or day. Le Creuset.
So 2 more things we highly recommend. I've been chopping wood, so I'm sweating a little bit.
And maybe another thing would be a stainless steel wine glass.
Well, that makes 11. Or we have a lot more, but this is a good start. This here is the Solo stove. We bought that thing. Man, that thing is so sweet. It lights up good. See that? Just a little kindling gets it going. And then this is the Jumbo Joe Weber, right? With a little chimney to get things going, get the party started. Use paper, leftover toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. Gets these things going. No, you don't have to carry lighter fluid or nothing. Now, this is the coolest hack since sliced bread. I'm telling you right now. The Jumbo Joe. The big one. At night, you've had a fire. Look at that rager. You want to go in, you don't want to have to deal with any sparks. Right here. Come on. You cannot tell me that's not cool. Perfect size. Fits perfect. Got a little vent right there. Puts itself out, you're all done. That's awesome. And the final thing is the snap pads. They're pretty cool.
Snap.
They sure are. They're really cool because you pull up, you just put your things down. You don't have to run around. I mean, if it's crazy and you got to add some height to it because you're in a hole, which
Pigeon board.
probably shouldn't be there. Well, oh God, yeah, we're not talking about that. Anyways, so they work really great and they stay on. I mean, I don't know, maybe somebody's had them fall off, but it's probably operator error.
We've been all
They're-
over the place with ours and never had a problem. And they literally snap on, and
With some soap.
I don't even know if you could get them off if you wanted to. I mean, I'm sure you can, but
Well, why in the heck would you want to get them off?
Why would you want to do that?
That's silly. So, anyways, we love those things.
We do.
And we did make a video about that too.
Yeah, you should check it out.
And I think we have some shirts
We've
somewhere.
got snap pad shirts. We're like all about the snap pad.
Yeah,
Like, we would
pretty cool. We bought
suggest
them.
to everybody.
We bought them because, running around sticking those things under there and they break or they get weird.
We definitely don't have any sponsorships, but
No. Except for I'm a sponsor.
like, comment, and subscribe.
That would be
Maybe
terrific.
we will one day.
Hey,
Who
and
knows?
I guess they say make comments, so we definitely need some comments.
Like,
and if you like
comment,
this and you've learned anything, subscribe. It's free.
Click the bell.
You can always say the heck with these people and unsubscribe. No big deal. All right, adios. Told you we had t-shirts.
Snap pad.
Yeah, what a couple of sellouts, huh?
Snap
You
pad.
proud of yourself?
Oh,
Yeah, selling out.